What's up, guys? I haven't posted in a while, and if you're wondering why that is, the title is true. I did get a new car. Got a 2017 Subaru BRZ GR86 Scion FRS. It's a BRZ, but you get it. So yeah, I actually just got this from the dealership over the weekend. It's the limited model, so it's got all the nice features. Got the sport Brembos. Take a look at the inside. 6-speed manual, of course. Alcantara seats, that's what it's called. And then barely any room in the back, but who needs it? It's a sports coupe. Ooh, swear this shit is so clean though. I just got it and I'm already spending all this money on it. I already got the V-Land headlights, Toyota badge. I mean, the Toyota badge wasn't that much, but V-Lands, it's already like $350. And this video is kind of from the future because I forgot to record it in the first place, but it does. I did just install a spoiler on it. And then it also came, it has UEL headers and a full catback. Give it a quick startup. Is pretty loud, I'm not gonna lie. So probably end up making a short here soon, or yeah, I'll probably upload a few shorts, do like a flyby, do a startup. But enough yapping about that. We're gonna get right into this duckbill install real quick. Okay, so I just popped the old spoiler loose. All it took was the 10 mil on each side, and pretty much the wing just gets free. All right, so now that we got that off, there's still this little piece over here, these two pieces that need to come off, so I need to probably open the trunk, I'd assume. Okay, yeah, so it's got two pop clips, it looks like, on each side. So we'll take those off. All right, so the rest of the video actually just got cut out because my phone overheated, but we got them out now. It did leave a little bit of residue in this. I don't know. I'm not sure how to get that out, but we'll figure that out. But I'm gonna test fit the spoiler right now. Okay, so minus this, I mean, it looks pretty good, I would say. Fits on there and really nice. Looks like an OEM Plus type of thing. I believe the new 8.6s have this factory. But yeah, I'm gonna get this cleaned down so I can install this now. All right, now that this all washed down and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this. They give adhesive, but there is holes on the back, so I'm assuming you can drill probably where the OEM holes would be, or put a screw or something right there to hold it in. But yeah, let's get it. Okay, so I got it taped up all now. Hopefully that should hold. I mean, I got two on the bottom, but it did not come with screws like I thought it would, so I'm honestly just hoping that this 3M will hold. It should. This is how the Civic is held on by until like literally recently. It's just 3M tape on that as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys when this is actually on. Alright, I got it on there as good as I could. I still need to patch this with something. I'll probably look up if there's anybody that has the similar issue. I'm sure they do, because this is a fairly popular spoiler brand, but I'll put it down in the description if you guys want. But yeah, I think that came out pretty good. Nice little duckbill. Paint match too, so I didn't have to hassle with any spray paint or anything like that. I think it fits the car, gives it a little bit of an aggressive look. But yeah, man, that is the first of many mods that will be done to this car. I wish I could do more with this, but this one is being sold Saturday, unfortunately. But I'll continue to make vlog type of videos like this if you guys want, about the new 8.6.